Hey besties, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today's video is so exciting because we are going to be taking a look at the March 2022 Boxycharm base box. I'm so excited. I get so excited with this video every month because I feel like a lot of you guys do actually really look forward to these, and so do I. If you don't already know what Boxycharm is, basically it is a monthly subscription for beauty products where you get up to $200 worth of product, but you're spending $27.99. So I definitely do get sent Boxycharm now, but you guys, I've been ordering myself since high school, and I reached out to them a while ago and I was like, hey, I like your products. I do makeup and beauty videos. Send me your products. And they did, so that was really awesome. I just more so like it because I get the box early so I can show it to you guys earlier, but even if they didn't send this to me, I would be buying it because it's just a nice thing to look forward to, and I really enjoy that they introduce me to a lot of other products out there, and more so like beauty brands that I have not really tried before. So let's jump right in, and as always, I will definitely be showing you guys at the end what the overall value of the box is, because I know a lot of you guys really like it when I do that. I will say, off of first impression, this box looks a little bit bigger, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, let's jump right in. Alright, we're opening her up, and I didn't say before, I don't think, but you get 5 full-size products every time. And you also get this really cute card that always has a theme, and this month's theme is going to be Game Changers, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. On the back, you have all of the products with their descriptions and how much each product costs. So jumping right into the first product. So this is the first thing that we have, you guys. It's the Chorus Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. It says it's going to transform your skin to velvet with a single drop of multitasking treatment that blurs imperfections, smooths texture, and replenishes skin with awakened hydration. And you guys, I'm normal to dry skin, so I need all the hydration I can get. So this is the outer packaging there, which is pretty basic, you know, but sometimes basic is nice. Then we have on this side there, that's really cute. You open it up. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting it to look like this, but this looks really pretty and aesthetically pleasing. Like, I would definitely put this back there with the Youth to the People one that I have right there. I really love stuff like this, but obviously what matters is what's inside. So we have a little dropper. That smells really good. So I don't know if I would only need 1 drop, you guys. I have a pretty big face, so I'd probably do like 2 drops, 3 drops, probably like 2. And yeah, this looks really pretty. Wow, I really enjoy this. I know with skincare, you're kind of just going to go right through it, but I really enjoy this. And this was $48, which is pretty stinking good, so I'm excited to try that out. I've never heard of that brand, have you guys? Then we have a lip liner from Persona Cosmetics, which was $14. It just says line, define, and shape your lips with creamy and blendable lip liner, formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for an effortless glide-on application. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. This is what it looks like. And I've heard a lot of good things about Persona Cosmetics. I just never had actually got my hands on any of the products, but I've always wanted to try their palettes, like their eyeshadow palettes, and this is what it looks like. It looks like, I think this is what the Kylie Cosmetics ones look like, so it looks pretty cute. And let's see what the shade is. Oh, that's really pretty. Pretty much like what 9 times out of 10 any lip liner I own kind of looks like. It's really beautiful. Let's actually add some, because I think it goes really good with the lip I have on right now, and this is really creamy. So I actually really enjoy that, and I'm really happy to get that in the box. I would say this is my favorite lip product. Well, lip liner. Well, you know what? The Dragon Beauty one is actually amazing too that we got last month. So I would say that's like my second favorite lip product that we've ever received, but I would need to play with it a little bit more. But I really like it so far. Wow. Then we have the Luxie Florals brush set. Ooh, $40. Oh, it comes in like a little baggie. Ooh, and y'all know I love the color purple. It's my favorite color. Okay. Little gold zipper moment. Then you open it up. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 brushes and a blender. Ooh, I love the colors of the brushes and the blender, but I'm actually really excited to try the blender because Luxie has really good brushes, so I feel like they probably have blenders down as well, but I'm really excited to check that out. It says, this is an act, oh no, never mind. Soar into spring with a new brush set featuring our 4 new brushes, a 219 eyeliner brush, 205 taper blending brush, 213 eye shading brush, and 211 concealer brush, and a detailed blender sponge. So really exciting, and of course it comes with a pouch too. Again, I think I already said it, but $40. And this is what the liner brush looks like. This is the tapered eyeshadow brush. And this is the concealer brush. And then what's this one called? Like, what is this one? It's a... yeah, it's a shading brush. So usually I can like really do a good job at like naming what each brush would probably be called. I mean, there's so many different uses for brushes though, but that is just how they are describing them. I'm super excited for this. I love the colors. I do agree this is like the perfect color for spring. I would have loved to see like a yellow too. That would have been really cute and cool. And then this, I am just most excited for. I know the brushes already are really amazing. But the sponge I'm really excited about because I've never tried anything other than their brushes, I don't think, so I'm really excited about that. Ooh, then we have the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. It says this is an active brightening vitamin C mask that multitasks. It's natural and cruelty-free. Looks like this. I think they have sent stuff from Frank Body before that I really enjoyed. I want to say they sent this serum that I got a lot of use out of. I think it was like a Bum Bum cream or something like that, or a Bum Bum serum, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, they have like all of the ingredients right here for you too, which I will read too. It says Kakadu Plum tackles pigmentation, and then papaya enzyme that dissolves dead skin. That's amazing. And then you open it up, and this is what it looks like. I actually need a new mask, so this is pretty great. I'm really excited to try it. We'll have to definitely give it a test before I can give you any information. I will go ahead and squeeze it out so we can see what kind of texture it has. Oh, I wasn't really expecting that from a mask. You see that? It's like a gel kind of liquidy formula. That's interesting. I was thinking it would kind of be more like clay-ish, but that's pretty cool. It smells clean, so I'm excited to try that. That's actually only $19.95, which I feel like some of you guys are like, only, but like I'm like, well, no, I guess I just thought it'd be a little bit more money. Vitamin C is great, and I'm really excited about this product. Now, I don't know, I'll have to like definitely just keep you guys updated because I really can't say anything about it until I try it, but this is really nice to have in there, and you do get a good amount in there. You get 50 milliliters, 1.69 fluid ounces, so that's a lot of product in there, so I feel like this will last you a really long time. And again, at $19.95, I feel like if that's a good product, I probably definitely will repurchase it. And so yeah, the next thing we have is the Element Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. lipstick, $18. Created to give you weightless, long-lasting wear. Infused with vitamin E, this liquid lipstick will moisturize and nourish your lips. After a few minutes of application, non-sticky formula will set and dry with a soft touch feel. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. And that's the last item in the box. This is what she looks like. And then you open it up. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm about to have a breakdown. This just freaking landed, y'all, in my coffee. I'm gonna have to be right back. Isn't that just great, you guys? I don't know the name of this. Like, it's there, you guys. It starts with an M. My vision's so bad, though, so, like, I just can't read what it says. But I'm gonna put a little bit over top. Are you guys, like, wearing liquid lipsticks nowadays? I know a lot of people aren't. I'm just getting a little mirror. This is, like, a nice mauve. I think that looks really, really pretty, and it's also super comfortable on the lips, and it smells good. So it's very lightweight, very comfortable, and I really, really enjoy this smell. Hey, baby! Baby? She's probably like, what do you want? Babe! Babe, can you come smell this and tell me what it smells like to you? Does it smell really good? Like fresh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? I love how that smells. It definitely dried down really quickly, but I really, really love how it smells, and I think the shade is really pretty. Ooh, excuse me, I have burped. I'll cut that out. But I'm gonna go off camera real quick and add everything up and then come back with a grand total. Okay, I'm back, and I also forgot to tell you guys, I didn't want to forget that the liquid lip is $18. I don't know if I would pay $18 for it, because now that it's dried down a little bit, I do see that it's not fully opaque. So let me go over with another layer of this. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. So let's see if it dries down, and there's still some sparse areas after that, but the overall total, besties, was $139.95. So I definitely do think it's worth it for me. Let's go through the things that I do really, really enjoy and that I'm really excited about. I'm really excited. I feel like you guys could already tell, like, this really had my heart from the beginning. I'm so excited because it says it's really going to help with the hydration. I am so excited to get use out of this. I hope I don't enjoy it too much, because then I feel like I'm going to have to repurchase it, and this is definitely, what was it, like $45, $48, so woo! But I will if something really does work. I really love skincare, you guys. This Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C mask I'm kind of excited about, but I was really expecting it to be more of like a clay mask, which I really, really love. But I also am excited about this too. I think I'm more excited though about the brushes. So it goes serum, brushes, then I would say the Persona lip liner, which, where are you at? Right here, this Persona lip liner I really, really enjoyed. Then I think I would say the vitamin C mask, and then after that, the lipstick, just cause, you know, I think even after it dried down a little bit, I really do like it. But if we're being honest, if you guys know me, I do prefer more of like a nudie or nudie pink kind of lip. This is very more like mauve, which I really do love, especially with like the shirt I'm wearing. But in a perfect world, I'd probably like it way more if the color was a little bit different. Like with the lip liner, they really came for what, like, you know, my personal style and personal preference, I mean, more so. So I was really excited about that. But I definitely would say it's still worth it for me personally, just because I really, really enjoyed it more than anything. Like probably 4 of the products out of 5. Not that I won't enjoy this, just that I need to play with it a little bit more. Now that it has dried down, it does look way more opaque, so it definitely is buildable, and it builds really nicely. It doesn't feel too heavy, and I love this scent. I would just like to try like some of the other shades, and I think maybe that would sway my opinion a little bit more. But yeah, besties, I really enjoy doing this video. Obviously, I feel like when people sign up for Boxycharm, they think they're just getting makeup, but no, you're gonna get makeup stuff, hair stuff sometimes, beauty tools. Lately, we've been getting a lot of skincare, but I am so okay with that. And obviously the makeup too. But yeah, besties, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have a link with them that will bring you right to the page. I'll put that down below. It is affiliated, but like I said, I really enjoy this company, and I've been signing up for Boxycharm since I was like 15, 16, maybe like 16ish. So yeah, you guys, I love you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, besties.